In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the 3DX9 underscore 40 DLL missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is you have to check your system type. So go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then open a browser. Search for the missing DLL file and put download. Click on it on the first result. Then you have to click on the download button corresponding to your system type and wait for this to be downloaded into your Windows. Once downloaded, then you have to click on the folder icon. And then right click and then you have to select extract all. Click on extract. Copy the DLL file, right click and then select copy. Go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive, scroll down to the Windows folder, double click. Locate the System32 folder. If you are 64-bit Windows, go to System32. If you are 32-bit, go to SYS WoW 64. Right-click and then select Paste. Click on Replace the file in the destination. After doing so, you have to close the remaining windows and right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Next method, open a browser again. Search for Visual C++ Redistributable and hit Enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and you have to click the download link that is corresponding to your system type. Click the download link and then double click on the folder that will be downloaded, which is the setup file, and simply install the Visual C++ on your Windows 11. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.